Hello children, now today we will learn about the parts of cell. Parts of cell. So mainly children, there are three parts of cell. The first is cell membrane. Cell membrane. Second is cytoplasm. And third is nucleus. So in cell membrane already we have discussed. And you need to complete the notes. Diagram is given in textbook. Now coming to the cytoplasm. So inside the cell, cytoplasm is a liquid jelly-like material present inside the cell, and the cytoplasm contains so many of cell organelles. So cytoplasm play a very important role, where I try to give you the concept of protoplasm. You must know children, protoplasm equal to cytoplasm plus nucleus. It means cytoplasm including nucleus is called protoplasm, and the term protoplasm is given by Huxley. And according to the Huxley, protoplasm is the basic life process of any kind of living organisms. But what would mean from this equation if you try to find out cytoplasm? Then see, cytoplasm means protoplasm minus nucleus. So you may see, this is the type of formula. Cytoplasm means, if you try to take out nucleus from the protoplasm, entire structure is called cytoplasm. So cytoplasm is a watery jelly-like material that contains some enzymes, hormones, vitamins and different kinds of nutrients, in which different kinds of cell organelles are present, and all the cell organelles are responsible for performing different kinds of functions. So the function and structure of cell organelles we try to see one by one. And third is, so about nucleus you need to make the notes of cytoplasm from the textbook. And in case any question, feel free to ask. I am talking especially about nucleus. So first we try to see the structure of nucleus and information about nucleus. See, dear children, this nucleus is double membranous structure. What is first? Double membranous structure, and this is discovered by Robert Brown. Say, discovered by Robert Brown. See, also known as carrion. Nucleus is also known as carrion, or also called brain of cell, or control center of the cell. It is also called carrion, brain of the cell, control center of the cell. See, from the word carrion, division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. It's very important. Division of nucleus is called karyokinesis, right? Double membranous structure, and it has four parts. Especially the first is nuclear membrane, second is nuclear core, third is nucleoplast and nucleolus. There are main four parts of nucleus. Nucleus is spherical like a structure. If we see the structure of the nucleus, see these kinds of structure we see. This is the structure of nucleus. It's a spherical body. See, and it is double membranous. Double membranous structure. You may see so this is the outer membrane. This is inner membrane. Inner membrane. And outer and inner membrane aggregately called nuclear membrane. And you may find this is nuclear pore, and inside we find a black solid structure. It's called nucleolus. And in this nucleolus you may see so many fluidy and jelly-like materials present called nucleoplast. What is called? Nucleoplast. Nucleoplast. And inside the nucleoplast, you find some threads-like structures. This threads-like structure is called chromatin threads. What is called? Chromatin threads. So this is the structure of a nucleus, a spherical body present inside the cytoplasm of a cell, and it plays very important role. Now see children, this nuclear envelope separates the nucleoplasm with cytoplasm, because it is present, nucleus is present inside the cytoplasm, so cytoplasm is totally separated from the nucleoplasm. And some places, some pores-like structures are present called nuclear pore. So this pore acts like a breeze, means some material, if the material wants to move from nucleoplast to cytoplasm, so they will move through the nuclear pore. And some materials from the cytoplasm wants to move inside the nucleoplast, they also move through the nuclear pore. So this is the basic function of this pore. Now nucleolus is discovered by Ventana. Nucleolus is discovered by Ventana, and it is the place where there is a synthesis of protein. Protein synthesis takes place. Nucleoplast is liquid contained in which threads-like structure present. This is called chromatin thread. See, this chromatin thread plays a very important role in cell division. It plays a very important role in cell division. So what happened during the cell division? During the cell division, what happens? These chromatin threads, this is the chromatin threads, participate in cell division, and in cell division it becomes short, dense, and it forms chromosomes. It forms chromosomes, where DNA on chromosomes, DNA are present. This is called primary constriction, or centromere we say. So these chromosomes are formed from the chromatin threads, and these chromatin threads present inside the nucleoplasm. And finally, on chromosomes, what is this chromosome? On chromosome we find protein. Chromosome is made up of DNA and protein. DNA stands for deoxyribose nucleic acid. So DNA is present on chromosomes, and small fragments of DNA called gene. So DNA is called hereditary material and gene is called hereditary unit. Overall, DNA or gene is responsible to transfer the character from the parents to their offsprings, or you say from one generation to the other generation. Understood? Now the problem, the concept that what is the function of nucleus. So if you try to see the functions of nucleus, so first function, it plays a very important role in cell division. How? Because it is responsible to transfer the characters. Who? DNA or genes. Second, it controls so many activities of the cell. That is why nucleus itself is called control center of the cell. And somewhere nucleolus is responsible for the protein synthesis, where the protein is present. RNA, ribose nucleic acids are present. So functions are also given. So with the structure, content, functions, everything you need to write in your notebook. It is very important. Now after the nucleus, children, we need to discuss about next cell organelle. We will try to find. Very important part, in cytoplasm of the cell, there are so many cell organelles are present. Now we learn one by one the different kinds of cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum. But we see in the next video. Thank you.